Alright, welcome back to the Spartan video library here. We've been working with finding volume of rectangular prisms recently in math class, so I just wanted to make a video about that. Remember, when you are looking at rectangular prisms, we are referring to the length, the width, and the height, and we're going to use those three dimensions to figure out what the volume of this particular prism is. So if you look at the one I've got written right here, if you look across at the length, that's going to be 4 centimeters. The width is going to be 2 centimeters, and the height in this particular case is going to be 3 centimeters. So again, my dimensions are going to be 4 by 2 by 3. So the length, the width, and the height. To find the volume of the shape, we actually just use the length times the width times the height. So just like we list the dimensions. So again, that's going to be 4 by 2 by 3. And we're actually going to be multiplying those. Now, when I look over here at the first two, the length by the width, that 4 times 2, that's actually going to end up giving me the area of the base of this rectangular prism. So that's the box, the rectangle that's sitting on, let's say that's the table or the floor. And that's going to give me a base of 8 square centimeters. So that's with the little 2, because all area has the 2, the square centimeters, square inches, whatever unit of measurement you're using. So that tells me, again, if you're looking at the base, we'll look at the top because we can't see the base through here. There's actually 8 individual squares that we're looking at. So the area of the base is 8 square centimeters, and then if we multiply that by the height, so that's going to give us a total of 8 by 3 is 24. So again, that 4 times 2 was the 8, and then multiply it by the height. Now we're making it three-dimensional, so that's going to give us the 24 square centimeters. I'm sorry, this is cubic centimeters. So if you're looking at it three-dimensionally, that first layer, the base layer, is a total of 8 cubes. Your second layer up on top of that one is going to be an additional 8 cubes for a total of 16. And your third layer, once you've got that done, is your final layer of 8 cubes. So each layer is 8 cubes, there are 3. So again, if we look at that original one up at the top here, our volume is equal to 4 times 2 times 3. That 4 times 2 is our base of 8, and then the 8 times 3 is 24 cubic centimeters. And area is always going to be squared. Volume is always going to be cubed.